There are a variety of ways to better manage large amounts of users in your ShareFile account, one of which is adding users to groups. This feature is great for managing large groups of users with similar folder access requirements. You can create and modify these groups in the People section of your account. Note, creating and managing groups requires specific employee permissions. If you can't get to this menu, reach out to your admin about getting permission. Create your new group and share it with other employee users if you need. From this menu, you can add new users individually by searching for them or selecting them from your address book. You can also import a large amount of users via Excel spreadsheet. You can have up to 2,000 users per group. Once you've created your group, they can be added to folders the same way you would add an individual user. From the People on this folder menu, use the Add People to Folder button and search or select the group that you created. Customize their permissions and save it. Now, anytime you add a new individual to your distribution group, they will inherit all folder permissions that have been given to that group. When you remove a user from that group, they'll also lose the folder permissions associated with it. One thing to keep in mind: if a user has been added to a folder individually and as part of a group, the individual permissions will override that of the group. You can find out more about groups and other advanced ways to manage your users at the ShareFile knowledge base via the URL shown here.